So in this video, you'll learn how to remove or how to delete the fingerprints from your Samsung Galaxy S25. So if you want to remove the fingerprint unlock option so that you only stick to using your PIN, password or pattern, then this is what you need to do. Start by opening the Settings app, and then under Settings, you want to scroll and select Security and Privacy. From here, you want to tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics, and then you want to enter in your current PIN, password or pattern. So in order for you to delete fingerprints, simply select the fingerprint option. Then you want to tap on the fingerprint that you wish to delete. So select it like that. Then tap on Remove in the top right corner. Then confirm your choice. Once you've done that, that specific fingerprint will be deleted from your device. If you have more than one fingerprint added, just follow the exact same steps to remove that specific fingerprint. Once you've done that, you'll notice that when you go back under the fingerprints option, it no longer says anything registered, which means that you've successfully deleted the fingerprints from your device. So now, whenever you unlock your device, you'll be using your PIN, password or pattern, or if you have Face Unlock registered, you'll be using Face Unlock. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.